Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through the process of creating a new account on WhatsApp. Whether you're new to the app or looking to connect with friends and family, setting up a new WhatsApp account is simple and easy. Let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. Open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Make sure you have the latest version installed. Step 2. On the welcome screen, tap on Agree and Continue to accept the terms and conditions. Step 3. Select your country from the drop-down list and enter your phone number. Tap on Next to proceed. Step 4. WhatsApp will verify your phone number by sending an SMS verification code to the entered number. Step 5. Once the verification is successful, you'll be prompted to set up your profile. Step 6. Enter your name to personalize your WhatsApp account. Step 7. Optionally, you can add a profile picture by tapping on the profile picture icon. However, you can also choose to skip this step and add a profile picture later. Tap on Next to continue. Step 8. On the next screen, you have the option to add a profile picture. Again, you can choose to skip this step if you prefer. Step 9. WhatsApp will ask for your permission to access your contacts. Grant this permission if you want to connect with your contacts on WhatsApp. Then tap on Next. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to make a new account on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.